Hi, I'm Ariadna, violinist and educator, and welcome to Mindful Strings, where I help you learn the violin on your own time and build a sustainable and consistent practice routine that fits into your busy life. This is a super quick tutorial how to put your shoulder rest on. When you first pick up the violin and can feel a little bit awkward holding it and knowing how to, do this with just two hands, so I'm going to show you the safest way to do it without dropping your violin. What I usually do is I put the violin strings down under my left arm and I kind of sandwich it between my forearm and my waist. So my fingers are free over here, but the violin is secured. The shoulder rest is in my right hand. I hook the shorter leg with the wider edge, in the case that you have a similar shoulder rest, on the side of the chin rest. So this little divot here, you want it to be on the chin rest side because it's going to go over your shoulder. So I'm holding this foot now on the edge of the violin with this hand, and then I use my right hand to slide the leg onto the other edge, and I usually go pretty far so that it's at this angle like so. And this is the angle of choice for me because the shoulder rest ends up landing right in between the shoulder joint and my neck. So you don't want it to be sitting on the shoulder joint, and you don't want to be too close to the edge of the shoulder. There you have it. Hope it helps. Happy mindful practicing, and I'll see you next time.